Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friend, this side is Ram and I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, you know what? I am here practice day by daily in front of my mobile camera. Just because of that, I have no any teacher and I have no any paid classes. So I am here practice day by daily and upload my video. Just because of that, I want to fluent in English and I am want to good communication skill wala person. So friends, if you are a beginner, if you are a first time viewer, then you have to watch my video. Just because of that, you have to gain more and more knowledge if you will watch this video. Friends friends I want to tell you one thing. When I was uh, 2 months ago, means maybe 2 months ago, I have no experience and I promised to myself I want to become a good communicator and a good English speaker. So I decided to myself day by daily practice in front of mobile camera, because I know if I will practice day by daily in front of my mobile camera, then I can do everything which I want to dream. Friends, if you dream of you want to become a good communication skill wala person, then you have to practice day by daily in front of your mobile camera. If you practice day by daily in front of mobile camera, then you have gain more and more and extra confidence level. If you have to ever speak and you have to give an any you have to give an any speech in front of more and more public places, then your experience work on that place. If you have any practice, you have any type of experience, then you can use on that place and you can do anything and everything. Friend, another things, today it is Sunday today, and I thought I should go my home, and I am here living at the Ayodhya, and my village town name was Bikapur, and I am going today, and I am ready. You can see I am ready, and after some time I have to go Bikapur, and I will return soon, maybe 1 or 2 days for some work. I am going for some work. If you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to be fluent in English, then you have to practice day by daily in front of mobile camera. Friends, before that 40 days ago, I have no any experience and I have no any type of good communication skill, and that time I could not speak English properly. Now this time I can speak good properly, and now this time I can speak quite good. Now this time it's only happen just because of my practice. If you will practice day by daily, then you can become a good English speaker. If you have no any topic, if you have no any vocab, if you have no any grammar, otherwise you have to practice day by daily in front of your mobile camera. When you start English speaking, then you don't think in Hindi. If you think in Hindi and you translate into the English, then your every words goes out went wrong, and you have stuck while you are speaking English. It is a very good and it's a very hard problem of any every speaker who wants to become a good English speaker. When they start yani when they are beginner, they are all doing this mistake, and you have to avoid this mistake. You have to use only English words when you start speak. This is the very good and this is the one of the most best method. Otherwise, if you will practice of Hindi and English both, then your communication skill is quite good, but not very fluently. If you are try. Friends, I want to go, and this time I want to let you alone, and you have to practice day by daily. एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।